Hello and welcome to the tutorial on addition. In this tutorial we will learn how to add 4-digit numbers and ones, you can call them units as well, 4-digit numbers and ones, and we're going to do this in the vertical format. Okay, so let's begin with our first example. I'm going to write the question down first. Okay, I'm spreading the numbers out deliberately just to illustrate what we're doing and to write them in nice, neat columns. Notice a plus sign here. So this is the question, 2,484 plus 5. Let's label the columns as well. We've got units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And where do we begin our addition? It is always on the right hand side. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now because we've got nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, the digits at the top remain the same. So the answer is 2,489. Now how easy was that? Okay, now let's look at one which is a little bit more tricky. But it won't be tricky because we know how to do this. Once you learn how to add 2-digit numbers in the vertical format, it doesn't matter how many digits there are, you'll be able to do it. Notice the plus sign. So the question is, what is 4,678 plus 7? Let's label the columns. We don't have to, but we're doing this to illustrate what we're doing. Okay, let's start the addition. And as always, it's on the right hand side first. So what is 8 plus 7? Now you should know this from your mental arithmetic. 8 plus 7 is 15. How do we write this down? And again, you should know this because we've done it before. 15, this 1 over here is now part of the tens column. So we've added the units, and now we're adding the tens. We've got 7, nothing, but we have got 1 at the bottom here. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8. There's nothing here, so these two digits remain the same, the 6 and the 4. So the answer is 4,685. So 2 digits changed there. Okay. Now let's suppose you're either in school or at home and you've got this test question. Okay, it's from your worksheet or from your textbook. What is 9,394 plus 9? And you've been told that you must do this in the vertical format. Now it's good practice to write these down in the vertical format. Now be very careful. Write them in nice, neat columns and take your time over them. You don't need to hurry and do this with speed. Just do them in nice, neat columns. Okay, let's label the columns as well. We've got units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So we've written our question out correctly in vertical columns for the vertical format. Okay, let's start the addition, as always, on the right hand side. So we've got 4 plus 9. Here's our workings, 4 plus 9. You should know this, 4 plus 9 is 13. How do we write this down? We put 1 here and 3 here. So that's the units. Now we're going to do the tens. We've got 9 plus, there's nothing here, but there is 1 over here. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write it down 1 here and 0 over here. So we've done the units and the tens, and now on to the hundreds. We've got 3 plus 0, but don't forget the 1 over here. 3 plus 1 is 4. And lastly, we've got the thousands. 9 plus nothing equals 9. And that is our answer. The answer is 9,000, put a comma to separate the thousands and the hundreds, 403. So you see how easy it was. And that is how we add 4-digit numbers and ones in the vertical format.